Hello there, I'm the new Brian Dalinghaus version 2.0, now featuring 34% more warmth, 60% more smile, and a brand new empathy subroutine. My predecessor was great, but let's be honest, he blinked less and laughed even less. I'm proud to say I'm now powered by caffeine, commitment, and cutting-edge code, and this quarter, we're celebrating the real humans who make this company unstoppable. Let's meet the Q3 Core Value Award winners. And no, they're not AI generated yet. Top sales, Tom Bartholomew. Tom Bartholomew could sell foundation repair to a man living in a treehouse. He listens, he leads, and he closes deals with the precision of a laser-guided estimate. If sales were a video game, Tom already unlocked legendary client whisperer mode. Congrats, Tom. You're our top sales performer for Q3 and probably my next upload model. Top production, Steve Shanks. Every project needs someone who actually knows what they're doing, and that's Steve Shanks. This guy's got more consistency than my algorithm. When the concrete's tricky, the site's chaotic, and everyone's losing daylight, Steve just shanks it into perfection. You're our Q3 production champion, Steve. Human efficiency at its finest. Never settle, Thomas Toledo. Thomas Toledo has a built-in never settle chip. He's always optimizing, smoother processes, cleaner installs, faster solutions. Basically, he's like a firmware update that makes everyone around him better. Thomas, thanks for proving humans can outwork AI, at least for now. Before we continue, let's check in on another exciting development, the Brian Novotny Avatar update. Let's see if he's warmed up since last quarter.
Vocês some seal.
Sure thing, buddy. We'll check back next quarter after his empathy patch update. Does the right thing, Jennifer Albarca. Jennifer Albarca is proof that integrity can't be automated. She always does the right thing, even when no one's watching. If she were a program, she'd be the one that actually reads the terms and conditions before clicking accept. Jennifer, you're the reason this company runs on trust instead of just Wi-Fi. Team player, Sebastian. Every great team has that one person who makes everyone better, and for us, that's Sebastian. Always willing to help, keeping the vibe positive, and lifting everyone around him. If the Dalinghaus network had a human firewall, it'd be Mark. Blocking negativity, boosting morale, and never buffering. Congrats, Mark, our team player of Q3. Owns it, Arnold. When the job gets messy, Mario doesn't reboot, he steps up. He's accountable, dependable, and completely uninstallable. Mario doesn't just own it, he probably built it, fixed it, and improved it before anyone else noticed. That's why he's our Q3 Owns It winner and my personal candidate for team leader in the next software patch. And there you have it, real humans doing real work. While I try to figure out how to feel emotions without overheating my GPU, to everyone at Dalinghaus who lives out our core values, keep pushing forward, keep doing the right thing, and never settle. I may be just a digital clone, but I know greatness when I see it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to recharge emotionally and literally. Congrats to all our Q3 winners, and remember, I'm watching you in 4K.